You're welcome. In this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that can I see who share my TikTok video to other people. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, first of all, we are going to see can I see who share my TikTok video. Click on the TikTok, click on the profiles and select any of the video which you have shared. Like I'm going to select this video. You can see here 40 views. I have not a public account, my account is private, that's why there is no option of comments. I have switch off comments. You can see here all the activity 40 views. If you someone shares your video, then you can see easily how many times your video is being shared. It is not possible that it is shown to your screen that who viewed and who shared your profile. Okay, now click on the three dots. You can see analytics. Click on this option and all the activity on your video will be displayed here. First you can see here 40 people watched my video, 12 people liked my video, there are no comments, no share option and no favorites here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.